Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cabbage noodles at home. This comforting dish is surprisingly simple and requires just a few common ingredients. We'll start by preparing a medium head of cabbage, weighing approximately 2 pounds, along with 1 pound of your favorite egg noodles. You'll also need 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and about 4 tablespoons of butter to bring all the flavors together. Let's get cooking. Now let's get our vegetables ready. First, core and thinly slice your 2-pound cabbage into fine ribbons. Next, dice that large onion and mince your 2 cloves of garlic. In a large skillet or pot, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add the diced onion and saute it gently until it becomes translucent and soft, which usually takes around 5 minutes. This step builds a flavorful base for our noodles. Once your onions are softened, it's time for the star of the show, the cabbage. Add the thinly sliced cabbage to the skillet with the sautéed onions. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally until the cabbage becomes wonderfully tender, which typically takes about 15 minutes. While the cabbage is cooking, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook your 1 pound of egg noodles according to the package instructions. Remember to drain them well. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add the drained, cooked egg noodles to the skillet with the tender cabbage and onions. Now, incorporate the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter, allowing it to melt and coat everything beautifully. Stir gently to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Your delicious homemade cabbage noodles are now ready to be served warm. Enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.